You've no idea how old she is.
I think she was quite young when we got her.
I think she's about 40, I think. How old are you kids? Darling, relax. Relax. Relax that arm. That's it. Put your arm down by your side. She'll have died.
She'll fall off.
Kids.
She won't fall off. She might fly off, but she won't fall off.
She might blow off. She's what? Oh, she's shit.
Has she? No, she hasn't. Don't keep.
Oh, now she has.
She has not.
Oh my God.
What's she doing?
She's just stretching her wings.
Take a picture of her then.
It's on video. Well, that's impressive.
It is very impressive.
She's never done that on anybody else.
Beaks.
Beaks? What's she doing? Is that a mating call? Darling, she wants to mate with you.
She's got to fan her tail out beautifully underneath the chin.
I should try that.
Hello, Beakie. I'm not sure Pura's enjoying this, is she?